Hello viewers, I am Venkat, Gaddam, founder Tradabulls. So today Nifty was up by around 41 points compared to yesterday's closing. So out of 50, 25 were closed in positive and another 25 were in negative side. So major positive contribution from ICICI Bank, Bharti Airtel, HDFC Bank and Grasim. So major negative side contribution by TCS, M&M, Tata Motors and NTPC. So here in our application, majorly the major three indices, Nifty, Banknifty and IET are providing with single glance. So during market hours, so trader or investor, they can easily understand the price action momentum. So the percentage from left side in green color, what it is appearing is, what was the percentage of appreciation from low to close point. So from low to close, and here right side whatever percentage in red color is showing is from high to close, how much was the price went downside from high. So here in Nifty, if we observe 32.63% is the price from low to close and 67.37% is from high to close. So the high and open prices are very near. So the day open when it starts somewhere 24,863, high was around 24,867. So both price points, high and open, are at the same point, and from that high to low it was around 82.83 points. So very tight range. So recently this is one of the lowest ranges. So 83 points is very less range for Nifty. And Banknifty from low to close, it was improved by around 67%, and IET was not that much improvement, and Reliance also half of the price was improved from low to close. And weekly data, out of 50, 43 counters were closed in positive and 7 counters were closed in negative. So compared to last 2 weeks, this week improvement, this week sentiment got improved, positive sentiment got improved. So around 1% appreciated when we compare the last Friday's close to till today's price closing. So around 270 points improvement, and finally 24,800 mark clearly closed above that level. So even Banknifty also positive side contribution improved, around 464 points improved in this week. So close to 51,000 mark as per comparatively last Friday's close to today's close, around 470 points got improved. And IT also last week to this week around 628 points improved. So both banks and IT together this week very good performance. So that's why Nifty has almost all 270 points improvement, which is 1% in percentages. So from here to all-time high, another 250 points are required. So coming to major indices, so here we have given some PR percentage. So PR means previous range percentage. So how much was the previous range? So range is nothing but what was the difference between high and low. So when we compare previous high to previous low, and if we apply that percentage, so today's percentage was 117%. So that means 100% means it was yesterday's high. So from yesterday's high to today's close, the range whatever happened in yesterday, that was 17% improvement actually. So here PR percentage for all the time frames, it is indicating so more than 61.8%. So that means so Nifty is in very bullish. Likewise, in trader view, so we have higher time frames, and higher time frames means monthly time frame. So in monthly time frame, yesterday's close was 24,770. So 24,770 was near to 78.6, but yesterday it didn't close above that 78.6, but today it was closed above 78.6% level. So 24,800 level above closed today. And the next due would be 25,000. So 25,000 either tomorrow or Monday or Tuesday, definitely it will clear that 25,000 level. And coming to monthly data, weekly data, so today's price, today's high was 24,867. So current high 24,867. So here 161.8 is one of the important levels as per Fibonacci retracement and extension. Even in nature we have very good important ratios, that is 38.2 and 61.8. So from 100%, and that means last week high to today's high, it was 100% to 161.8%. So today it's close to above that 150% of last week's range. So tomorrow, if it clears 850 level, it may touch this level 24,970, 927. So likewise, if we see Bank Nifty also, so Bank Nifty, I think first time it was closed above last month's low. So last month low was 50,438. So this week it was closed above 50,438 level. So today's close was around 51,000. So 50,985. So which is above that 0% level. I think first time in this week it was closed above last month's low. So now the target would be 51,127 and 51,553, which are 23.6 and 38.2 percentage levels in Fibonacci retracement and extension. So coming to weekly data, so 50,900 is last month's high, last week's high. So last week high, it is showing 50,831. So first time, I think last week's high was cleared with today's candle. So probably tomorrow it may test these two levels. So 51,280 and 51,557 levels. Usually once 100% clears, so the next targets would be 138.2 and 161.8. So likewise IT, so IT 41,506. So today it's flat close. So 41,500 level. So 41,500 is indicating that last month's high. So last month's high was 41,381. So clearly today and yesterday both days were closed above that 100% of last month. So the next targets for IT would be 42,630 and 43,000 mark. So we have another one more week for monthly candle closing. And weekly candle, so 41,500 level is indicating above 123.6. So now tomorrow these two levels are most important. So 41,760 and 42,000 levels are important. So 41,500 was cleared today. So that was 123% of last week's. So now IT is in very strong position. So last month's high and last week's high both were cleared today. So 40,927 was the last week's high and 41,381 was the last month's high. So today's closing and yesterday's closing both were strong closings. So it was clearly indicated above these levels, 100% of weekly and 100% of monthly. So tomorrow it may retest these levels, so 41,800 and 42,274. So coming to heat maps. So last 4 days from Nifty 50, the weak performers and strong performers are Hindalco, SBI Life, Divis Lab, Grasim and Shriram Finance are doing well. And from loser side, M&M, Tata Motors, ONGC, Power Grid and Adani Enterprises. So no much negativity, comparatively positive percentages. So majorly Tata Motors and M&M, both from automobile sector. So both were increased a lot. So M&M was up by around more than 60% this year from last 7.5 months, and Tata Motors also more than 40% improvement from last 7.5 months. So a little bit profit booking is happening in the IT pack. So broader market improved a lot in this week. So no much what we call major heavyweights. So here no much heavyweights when we compare last top 10 counters: Hindalco, SBI Life, Divis Lab, Grasim, Shriram Finance, HDFC Life, BPCL, Bajaj Finserv, Titan, Asian Paint, Hero Motors, Coal India, Tata Steel, JSW Steel. So these are all very light counters, not that much heavy weights. So nearly 12 to 15 counters, top 12 to 15 counters are very light counters, not that much heavy weight. So it indicates broader market is getting strong. So 25,000 mark and 25,300 mark will be retested. So as long as it holds 25,600 mark, so market it will retest 25,000 and 25,300 levels. So this is about today's analysis. We'll meet in tomorrow's session. Thank you so much.